Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 42, Lesson 3, Exercises. Here we have practice with priusquam and antequam, meaning before. Sometimes they take indicative, sometimes they take the subjunctive, and here it explains the rule. Examples: Imperator milites hortatur, priusquam antequam pugna committitur. Okay, so the commander urges on his soldiers before the battle begins. Okay, so this is when you use the indicative. Okay, before the battle begins, it's actually just telling about the time that the thing is occurring. But in this case, Latinus ad colloquium processit. So King Latinus went forward for a meeting before the signal for the battle is given. And so here it's indicating a negative idea. He does it so that lest the sign of the battle be given first. Ne prius signum pugnandi daretur. In that case, you use the subjunctive. So if you can think of a negative, if it's being used in a negative kind of purpose sense, so that this not happen before he do this, then use subjunctive. So Romulus, for example, auspicatus est. So Romulus checked the auspices before he founded Rome. So there's no negative sense here. You know, it's not so that he not, or so that something not happen. So he did it in the indicative. Condidit. But here, fidenates, the fidenates before the city of Rome become stronger. This definitely has that negative sense. So that the city of Rome not become stronger, right? The negative purpose idea. So this is going to be a use of the subjunctive. They rushed out to make war. Okay, so try the rest of those, and let's go to exercise 8. Vocab. So when King Tatius at Lavinium, after an attack was made, and that we know is from a fourth declension noun, concursus us, so concursu in the ablative, he was killed. After that, a peace unhoped for, there was an unhoped for peace with Lavinium, and that is inspiratus aum, in pax is feminine, of course, with our socks rule. Okay, let's go on to exercise 9. Okay, these are all the ways of doing purpose clauses. And so I strongly suggest that you go into your Latine Disco for chapter 42 and carefully read through these 5 different methods of showing purpose. Ut plus the subjunctive, qui plus the subjunctive, ad plus the gerundive, the supine, and then the gerundive plus causa. So the first form, so the legates were sent to seek peace. This is just our regular purpose with ut, and so we want from petura, petunt becomes petant. And here we have qui, which means the same as ut in this context. The legates were sent to seek peace, petant. Ad pacem, here we have the gerundive, and remember in the gerundive, the form of the verb, or the gerundive itself, matches the case gender of the noun that is put with. So pacem is feminine accusative singular, so we're going to have petendam as our gerundive. The supine is just the fourth principal part in the accusative singular. So for peto, petra, petivi, petitum, and that's always with motion. You know, he is going, they're going, they were sent to seek peace. And then for the purpose of seeking peace, petendi, because it matches pacis, genitive, singular. And then here we have the true gerund for the purpose petendi, active in form, with its object, which you very rarely see. Okay, and the last section, question and answer. Surely Romulus was not mourning the death of Tatius. Yes, he was not, right? Go ahead and try to answer this question. I'll see you back in the text.